Hello guys, welcome to another CarX Street video. Today update 1.10 is released, and this is little bit boring and small update, because I thought that update 2.0.0 will come, but developers have other plans. In this update a car was added, BMW M30. And two new special offers, M30 and AMG GT, but as usual not worth to buy. A very interesting thing is added, and this makes game more realistic. When you will drive your car for few seconds, your brake rotor will be red because of heat. You can rotate your wheels in tuning shop. This helps to tune the car and show its dimensions and how it looks. And some improvements in game interface like this red dot show that there is a new car of offer available. And this update feels better now. They actually improve game, and as usual some general bugs fixes. I will test top speed of max BMW M30, so wait for it. Join our Team Cult crew. Discord link in the description. And also join my Discord server link in the description. And hit the like and subscribe button for these types of videos. Enjoy the gameplay.